Hi guys, VST here, Magnification. Maybe the third video for today. Sorry guys, too much I know, but I was able to finally get these scrolling screenshots into the Android 12 developer preview one, thanks to some guys on Telegram. Really great. And I just wanted to show you guys, so here I have the Pixel 3a running Android 12 developer preview one, and here I have a very ancient and old Samsung Galaxy S9. Why? Because I want to also show you guys the implementation here. Why? Because this scrolling screenshot is kind of like the holy grail. Everybody else was implementing it into their versions of Android, One UI, MIUI, Oxygen OS, but Google were just saying, yeah, we're not ready now. Finally, Google pulled it off. And I'm gonna try together, guys, with you for the very first time. I know it's buggy, right? So let's see the results that we're gonna get. Here we have the Android developers blog, the same thing open here on the S9. So I'm just gonna take this phone in the hand and I'm going to do this magic trick. So, okay, like this, okay, boom, scrolling screenshot. Let me just press scrolling right now. Okay, let me try once more. Pressing scrolling, okay, nothing. Pressing scrolling.
No, nothing really, guys, happens.
Those are my screenshots, and apparently none of this is scrolling. Maybe try the scrolling option here. All right. Even does not appear. If I go, by the way, on the home screen, it also does not appear. So apparently it only appears somewhere where we have a lot of text. Let me just try to do it again. Scrolling. Sadly, nothing happens here. Let me just go and perhaps try this here in Play Store. Is it gonna work here? Okay, scrolling. Oh, okay, yes. All right, success.
A great success!
Okay, we have it here. Let me just, guys, also show you how it's gonna look like here. I have just opened the S9 on the same application, voice recorder. Let's try to do a scrolling screenshot here as well. Okay, screenshot. Okay, now scrolling button. All right. Okay, let's open this one, guys. Open with gallery. Okay, you see, it is not really like this. Here, we pretty much have a bit more information. Let me just try to do this one more here on the Pixel. So let me just go for the scrolling screenshot. Okay, now let's do scroll. It does really a nice full scroll. Let me just go back and do this here on the S9. For some reason, it doesn't work like this. All right, so let me just see many buttons here. Okay, one more time. Okay, scroll. Now wait, scroll again. Now wait, scroll again. Okay, now wait, scroll again. Wait, scroll again. It's pretty much, I think, what we can get. Okay, now interesting. Okay, you can see the result, right? It really goes and shows even beyond the score here. I'm gonna return on the Pixel. All right, not sure why we don't see many commands. So let me just try to activate scrolling screenshots again. Press call. Okay, wait. No, there is no option for wait. Let's do this again. Press scroll here. Scroll. Okay. Now you directly go to the screenshot. But guys, we have proven the point. Google still needs to work on the scrolling screenshot. Now it's very nice that we have it, and it does work partially. And I wanted to show this to you guys as I continue digging into this small and nitty-gritty things into Android 12 developer preview one. I really hope that you like this video. If that's the case, you know what to do. Stay safe. We're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.